Alright guys, so we're going on our first test drive. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go in the garage. Zach's gonna drive the car. It's gonna be so fun. There she is. A beautiful day.
Yes, indeedy.
Oh, hey Zach, make sure you're not too much of a menace to the society. I know this car is dangerous.
I'm already parked on the road. There may be a casualty.
They're gonna get hurt.
They could trip into the Jeep.
They could trip into the Jeep.
They might have to have a leg amputated.
Oh my God.
The threat is so real.
This is so dangerous.
Don't worry about Corona. Watch out for the Jeep park.
Exactly. Garage. We have a sick garage.
I see the hand sanitizer as well.
Oh yes,
I like that.
That's also for safety. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Zach actually loves hand sanitizer and washing his hands. Has nothing to do with the coronavirus. I recently learned this about him.
This is true.
I was like, oh, you doing that for Corona? He was like, no, I always do this.
Exhaust.
No, it doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. Just figuring it all out.
Boost makes that not work.
Nothing wrong with that.
Blows it out.
Alright, let's see how she drives. Stock clutch still, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Do you have these programmed yet?
Yes. How fun is that?
That is awesome. Back her out this way.
Oh my God, you're gonna go that way. You're gonna cause such a ruckus.
I know. So Andrew was telling me front scrapes leaving the neighborhood?
Yes.
Okay.
Just gotta go totally sideways. Oh my God.
I'm a professional low boy. So
professional low. You are actually.
I know how to drive over the bumpies.
You are. Oh my God. You have any idea how dangerous this is, Zach?
Oh my gosh, watch out for the kids. Oh, that was close.
Oh my God.
Oh no, we got the fam out.
Oh my God.
Should I give it a little rev?
I mean, I would, but oh no. We're not actually assholes, we just respond when other people are.
That's correct. That's correct. So the clutch pedal feels really light. Do you like that or dislike
I
it?
like it.
You like that?
Oh yeah, he knows how to make this turn. Zach's setting his
sport. Oh my
preferences.
Gosh, that is incredible. Oh, it's an instant change.
Yes, it is.
What? Steering feels tighter. Suspension feels tighter.
Those pulls I did on the first day, I didn't have any of that set. And then I changed it after and I was like, whoa.
Wow. How's our oil temps? Let's go through that. Settings, gauge mode. Oil temp 169, not bad. Let her warm up a little more. Feels really nice.
Like, it's amazing. Like, yesterday I was driving it around and obviously there was nobody in any parking lot and I was just like turning in parking lots like at 30 miles per hour and it was just like making a perfect turn.
It sounds incredible. The tone is really nice. I know you want it way louder.
Oh, we've already talked to Corsa.
Okay.
I already texted my boy.
You can't go from what you had to a quieter car.
No.
And this is going to make all the right noises once it gets that exhaust.
Bright and early in the morning. As soon as that gym reopens and I go back at 5 a.m. every day.
This is Does the AC automatically go off when you're at full throttle, or do you have to turn it on?
I didn't notice that.
Okay. I know Andrew said in the GT500 it did. But I'm not. We'll
That's
just
a good
turn it off
question.
for maximum power.
So Zach asked what I revved it to,
Yeah.
and I was like, I don't know. There's a shift. I think it's like 85, but
8500?
yeah, but it
Holy
tells you
crap.
like the light comes up and it tells you when to shift. You'll
That's
see it. It's a
crazy.
big bar
That's
right in
nuts.
front of your eyes.
Alright, we'll do a little bit of AC off and just hear it. Is that gonna be okay?
Yeah, it's fine. All right, are you ready to go to Mexico?
I am ready for Mexico.
All right, cut 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Wow.
And
That's like instant. as
what's
well.
really amazing is that like it makes similar power to the S550,
The power band feels way different than
but it feels so smooth.
yeah.
Even like slow, but but not slow just because it's so smooth. Like when
Yeah.
you're driving the S550 and you floor it, you're like, oh my god, I'm in a race car. I gotta pay attention. But in this, you're like, yeah, I can just cruise at
It's
150.
comfortable, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right. That's very true. And I feel like the power in the blue car in the S550
Yeah.
comes on like super top end. This, and I wasn't paying attention to my RPMs, but this
It's
clears-
gradual
exactly.
and yeah. But
And
it
I
just
rolled
keeps
into
going
it.
and
Exactly.
going.
And I didn't even go to 85 there. That was like maybe 6,000 RPM.
Yeah.
Here we go. 30. Oh my god, you're so right. It is way more fun going up to the light. Oh my god.
Dude, is this not the most fun thing ever?
So, first of all, was that VTEC? Because like we were pulling and then like around 7,500 it just was a freaking rocket launcher. Oh my god.
It just keeps going.
That was freaking nuts. Holy hell. Can you get a clip on my phone for the gram?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like you're gonna get in trouble with this car.
No.
This thing is nuts.
I cannot go to jail again.
No, you can't.
Do you know how bad that f***ed me up for like a whole year?
I remember. Man, this car is so cool. And you want more power out of it. Wow.
Yeah, I want more power out of it.
pulls
I don't know
so
how much
hard top
we
end.
can safely get out of it, but like we were just talking about a few minutes ago, injectors and...
Yeah.
Are you done? Is that it? You're done with your pulls?
Do you want more?
You didn't even go that fast.
Okay, I mean, let's go to Mexico. Let's go to Mexico. Oh God, I love you, Ashley. You didn't even go that fast. We definitely just went like. She is not.
I did like...
Okay.
So...
Okay, deal. We'll go to the Mexican border. Does this have a factory oil cooler on it? Do you know?
I think so.
Because oil temps we just did a bunch of pulls. Oil temps are perfect.
Yeah, even after like on the Dragon and stuff when we had it, it was
Yeah.
doing pretty good.
I remember that story Andrew was telling me. Don was yelling at Andrew, you better drive this car. But it does, you're right, it does like to be driven up to 8,500.
You gotta wait till you see the light. Like
Yeah.
the first time I drove it, Don was like, what is wrong with you? You have to wait until you see the light. And I was like, I just feel like it's at the end. And he's like, it's never at the
Exactly.
end.
You're exactly right. It feels like it pulls, and then it felt like it started to die at like 75. Well, not die, but it felt like it was done pulling. So I shifted at 75 the first time, and then you were like, no, don't shift until the light. I shifted at 8,500, but from 7,500 to 8,500, it was a freaking party.
Yeah. And I was watching like that little like 40-second edit that Andrew made of the car at the end when he does that pull. And I was literally watching it and I was like, when is it gonna be done? Like that would piss me off actually, because I'd be like, come on, you gotta shift, like for the clip.
Oh my God. What?
It never ends.
What? Holy shit. This thing just got to be like it was nothing.
Yep.
Oh my God.
And made for like straight stuff, but I kind of want to take it to the half mile just to see what it does.
Oh, half mile would be awesome.
Yeah.
Because this thing likes to eat top end.
Like you probably only run it once that day, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe twice. But I know in Ocala they do a big one. Want to go fast? I think it's called. Want to go fast?
That like pulls hard, and then at 7,000 RPM it's completely different.
Yep.
Holy
it just keeps going.
Crap. It keeps going, but it pulls even harder. Like it pulls hard, and then like 7,000 hits, and it's just, I don't know how to explain it. The closest thing I can explain it is like for the Honda boys, VTEC. Like when VTEC kicks in, it pulls harder.
When VTEC kicks in on your GT350R.
On your GT350R, that's Whipple supercharged. Golly, this thing is so much fun.
Yeah, so power plans, definitely want to get more.
I don't know why you want more though. This is nuts.
Because I always want more.
This thing probably, if you were to time it, that was like a 20, maybe 10 seconds, if that.
Yeah.
That was nuts. Holy crap.
Yeah. Really cool driving experience.
This is a fun car. And what's crazy about it is we literally just got done driving like that, still in sport mode for steering and suspension, and it is super comfortable.
Right.
You could go to Mexico and then drive the 10-hour trip back in this car and be completely okay.
Speaking of that, now we have to drive a 10-hour trip back, so we'll be back.
See you guys.
So, in closing,
the GT350R is an absolute monster, and Ashley just wants more out of it.
thanks for watching that one. Lots more polls to come and whatnot. And we'll see you guys whenever the next time is. Sorry I look like a toe. It's been a lazy day with the quarantine stuff. But bye. Oh, also don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I don't have enough Instagram followers.
Same.